Auto Sandbox. Hey there, welcome back to Auto Sandbox. Today, we're diving into a common yet frustrating issue that many car owners encounter: engine misfiring. We'll explore the various causes behind this problem and, of course, share some practical solutions to get your engine running smoothly again. So, let's get started. First things first, let's understand what engine misfiring actually is. Engine misfiring occurs when one or more cylinders in your engine fail to ignite the fuel-air mixture at the right time. This leads to a lack of power, rough idling, and even strange vibrations or sounds. Cause number 1: spark plug issues. One of the primary causes of engine misfiring is faulty spark plugs. Over time, spark plugs can wear out, leading to reduced spark or no spark at all. This can happen due to carbon buildup, electrode wear, or even improper gap settings. Solution number 1: replacing a spark plug. The solution is relatively simple: regular maintenance and timely replacement of spark plugs. Check your vehicle's manual for the recommended interval and opt for high-quality spark plugs to keep your engine firing on all cylinders. Cause number 2: ignition coil problems. Ignition coils. Ignition coils are another critical component that can cause misfires. They are responsible for converting the low voltage from the battery into the high voltage needed to create a spark. If an ignition coil fails, you'll likely experience misfires. Solution number 2: replacing an ignition coil. If you suspect a faulty ignition coil, it's essential to get it tested and replaced if necessary. Regularly inspecting these coils and addressing any issues promptly can prevent misfiring problems. Cause number 3: fuel delivery issues. Inadequate fuel delivery can also lead to engine misfiring. This could be due to a clogged fuel filter, a failing fuel pump, or issues with the fuel injectors. When the engine doesn't receive the right amount of fuel, it can't burn properly. Solution number 3: try using a fuel system cleaner to clear any deposits in the fuel system. However, if the problem persists, have a professional mechanic inspect and possibly replace the fuel filter, fuel pump, or injectors. Cause number 4: air intake problems. Air filter. An often overlooked cause of misfires is a dirty or clogged air filter. A blocked air filter restricts airflow, leading to an improper fuel-air mixture. Solution number 4: replacing the air filter. Replacing the air filter is simple and cost-effective. Check your air filter regularly and change it as recommended by the manufacturer to avoid misfiring problems. Cause number 5: engine sensor malfunction. Modern cars rely heavily on various sensors to monitor engine performance. A malfunctioning sensor, like the mass airflow (MAF) sensor or the oxygen O2 sensor, can cause misfires by providing incorrect data to the engine control unit. Solution number 5: checking and replacing a sensor. When you notice engine misfires, it's essential to scan for error codes using an OBD2 scanner. If a sensor-related code appears, have the faulty sensor diagnosed and replaced by a professional mechanic. And there you have it. Engine misfiring can be caused by several factors, but with proper maintenance and timely repairs, you can keep your engine running smoothly and avoid these frustrating issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and drive safely.